My question is about the evolution of your dreams. One of my favorite role models is Oprah Winfrey, and she talks about dreaming a bigger dream. And I just wonder about the evolution of your dreams and how they've changed from you were the boy at that pole, and did you get one of those villas?
First of all, they're not villas. So that's a really good question. So when I was standing at that lamppost, there was no way in the world I could ever dream this. I wanted to be an army officer. Now I know that, when people from my background, they make it, people think it's the impetus was sports. For me, it was the army, not sports. The Olympic thing was a side thing, side hustle, right? And if you had asked me then what I'd be doing now, I'd be in the army. Like, if I could just get there, I'd be the happiest, like a pig in slop. I wouldn't want anything else, right? And so then, I remember the moment, I was 21 years old, I'm walking to the officer's mess, and I'm having this intense conversation with myself. I'm like, so, what are you going to do with the rest of your life now that you have achieved this major goal? And I go, oh, the Olympics. So I started training for Seoul, Korea in '88. And then this bobsled thing came about, right? And so I made a bobsled team, and now I'm traveling the world, and I'm seeing so much more, things that I never could have seen or imagined when I was standing at that lamppost. And I go, oh, so there's all this too. I want some of that. So my dream went from, so the army it went from being, oh God, if I could just do this, I wouldn't want, so that, oh, this is cool. I can come here and hang out with you guys. That's even cooler, right? So it has evolved in those terms, and as we talk about purpose earlier, just now that I'm making my way, trying to figure out how I can help others to make their way as well.